National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Baxter County in North Central Arkansas, Northern Cleburne County in North Central Arkansas, Western Independence County in North Central Arkansas, Izard County in North Central Arkansas, Southern Chops County in North Central Arkansas, Stone County in North Central Arkansas, Central Van Buren County in North Central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 3 miles south of Culp to 7 miles northeast of Old Lexington to near Clinton, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mountain View, Melrose, Melbourne, Greers Ferry Lake, Fairfield Bay, Clinton, Batesville, Stewart, Stella, Sydney, Shirley, Salado, Pineville, Old Lexington, Myron, Mount Evans, Moorfield, Lunenburg. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Arkansas: Baxter, Cleburne, Independence, Izard, Sharp, Stone and Van Buren. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southwestern White County in central Arkansas, Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northeastern Perry County in central Arkansas, northwestern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, northern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, north central Saline County in central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 5 miles south of Lake Maumelle. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Little Rock Air Force Base, Lake Maumelle, Lake Conway, Cabot, Ward, Valonia, Toadsuck, Spring Hill, Roland, Pinnacle Mountain, Pickles Gap, Olmsted, Old Austin, Mount Vernon, Morgan, Mayflower, Maumelle. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 122 and 145.